Okay friends, I am back and I'm going to show you a real nice and easy way to make a natural deodorant. And it is wonderful, just with a few ingredients. And the ingredients we're going to use is cornstarch, baking soda, and coconut oil, and a few drops of essential oil. And you can use an essential oil of your choice. So we'll get going with this. Put this down here. We're going to take a couple tablespoons of cornstarch, put them in our bowl, and we're going to take another 2 tablespoons of our baking soda. And I do believe I got 2 tablespoons. That's probably all 2 tablespoons right there. We're going to put that in there. In fact, that's a little less than 2 tablespoons, and that's really what you want. And then we're going to do 2 good healthy tablespoons of coconut oil. And you can use this melted, but I don't. I like to do it this way. I think it mixes in, and I like it creamier. Not that it won't harden up in the fridge, I just like it this way. So, we're going to take that. See how I got that in there? And we're just going to start creaming it all together. Just like you would sugar and butter. Just cream it together. And you can use a rubber spatula or the back of a spoon. Whichever you want to use. Whatever works for you. And you'll see how this will come together real nicely. And this is good for you. You know, the deodorants in the stores, oh, they're so horrible. They got so many chemicals in there, and, you know, they go underneath our arms, right by our breasts. And us women, we need to take care of our girls. You know, breast cancer is not an easy thing to try and fight. And whatever we can do to lower our risk for cancer or breast cancer, and that's what we need to do. So, this is the first step, using some natural deodorant. And it'll come together there. And if it's a little too dry, you can put a little more coconut oil, and I think that's what I'm going to do with mine. I'm going to put just maybe another half a tablespoon in there. There we go. I think that's what I needed. See how that's coming together real nicely there. That's all I needed was that little extra coconut oil in there. And if you keep rubbing it through, the little chunks of coconut oil will disperse all into this cream, and it'll be wonderful. See how that's doing? You can see when I spread it. So, it takes a little bit, but it's well worth it. Oh, my camera died and I had to move it all. So I'm out here in the kitchen, and I'm going to put, I got it all creamed together, you've seen that. I'm going to put about 8 drops of essential oil in it. And just mix it in really nice. And it smells wonderful. Oh boy, does it ever. Okay, it's that easy. Get it all mixed in there real nice. And look at how nice and creamy that is. And I got my little jar here that's still got some in it. I still got some left, but it's getting low, so I'll put this in here. It'll pretty much fill up my jar. And then this is just easy cleanup. Easy peasy. And this will last you quite a bit. And all you got to do is just, like you would deodorant, only use your fingers and spread it on your underarms. Absolutely wonderful. So, there you have it. A nice little jar of natural deodorant. Give it a try. I'm sure you'll like it. And remember, you can use any essential oil that you like, or you can use unscented, entirely unscented. It's up to you. So there you have it, friends. Give it a try. I'm sure you'll like it. And thanks for watching.